If there's somebody in here, open the door. I'm literally about to run out this house. Mike. Oh my God. Look, even my cat's over there looking. The door is literally just open and shutting on its own. Looking. Okay. That is weird. You'll see there's nothing down there. I don't know what the going on, but that shit is weird. What is it? There it goes again. Okay, I'm out. Snuffs.
Bueno, aquí les presentamos a la muñeca de Betty que se la regalaron sus 15 años.
No manches, mira.
That shit moved again. I'm throwing it across the.
Now, we don't just get kids of that particular time period. I mean, other kids did stay here, but mostly it seems like it's them. The frilly dresses, the little breech shorts, the nice little blouses and shirts. That's what it seems to be when we get pictures of them anyway. Now, guys, we've had other people try other things.
So it's literally 3 in the afternoon, and it's been happening more during the day, and it's just not even scary. It's really just annoying at this point, to be completely honest. I can't take this anymore. Okay, so I'm trying to get ready for bed, and there's another one. It's still nothing. Everyone's been asking me to try and knock back. You fuck. House, and every few seconds there's another. Shit! Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here! So it's literally.
What the? What? Oh my God, that is so creepy. Just.
Sara, vem comer!
Tá bom! Todo mundo veio. E a mim? Eu tô aqui, tranquila. Dá na mão, você lá. Vem cá.
just moved behind me. Jeez.
I'm here at the Manger Hotel. I think that's how you say it, Manger. Waiting for Mike. He went across the street to get some playing cards because we're just waiting for some sort of ghost activity. Nothing yet. We walked all up and down the halls in here. It's a pretty nice hotel though. There's a flat screen. There's 2 closets. Here's one of the closets. Space. And then there's another closet. With lots of space also. Lots of closet space. And that's about all there is in here. Hello? Mike? Hello? What? Nuh-uh. Oh my god. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Mike, where are you? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Uy, Dios mío.
Dejándolos saber. Mira, mira, espérame.
Like or unlike. Subscribe kung gusto mo. Kung ayaw mo, please subscribe pa din. It took me a couple of headaches, lose of appetite, dehydration, vomiting and a few carpal tunnel, to finish this video. If the video entertained you in any sort of way, it would mean the world to me if you would take a couple seconds to subscribe. Bell. And just to give it a like or unlike, whatever you choose to, because it really would get it out there for others to see, and that would help me out quite a bit. It would be a big reward for me seeing those likes and subscription. I have so much fun making this video, but I won't lie, when it hits 3 AM and becomes creepy and kind of escalating and making it kind of freaking me out, and hopefully it freaked some of you out too. Comment. If it would be helpful to your mental health, just comment. I'll be reading your stories. Aoth Math. Thank you for watching.